I'm John C. Presas, and the law office of John C. Presas is proud to bring you the Defenseman of the Month. I'm here with Max Fortunas. Now, Max, I understand you're the team captain, and I know when I bring my trial team into the courtroom, I certainly need to coordinate and do all I can to build morale. I'm curious what you do as the team captain to bring the team together both on and off the ice.
For sure, for me, I think it starts with practice, making sure that everybody's on page and everybody's ready, willing to work hard. Because, we're here to work, we're here to win hockey games, and to do that, and we have to make sure that we're all, driving in the same direction. So, for me, it's making sure that we're all coming to the rink and enjoying our time at the rink. So, and by saying enjoying our time at the rink, it's having fun, on the ice and having fun off the ice, and get a prank or two on the side too, maybe, or something. But and also getting the team together, because when we all come into a new season, into a new team, you get into a new city, you don't get all we have is each other. So we're kind of a big family in here. So we have to keep our bonds really tight.